From any internet browser, to access Learning Space, type in mls.lac.msu.edu. From the home page, select Legacy Login. Then select SP. Type in your last name to find your account. Then select your account. Enter your password. And select Login. On the dashboard, under COM 2020 Comlex SP Training or any other training event, find the SP Training button to access the training videos. Then from the drop-down, select which case you are training on. Then hit Continue. Here you will see the video as well as the checklist. You can single view or multi-column view to put them side by side or one above the other. Once you have completed the practice checklist, hit Submit at the bottom. This will take you back to the training page.